Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Genia. Did you miss me? I'm sure you did. So, this video that you're going to watch just now can be considered as part 2 of the previous video that I had posted. And just in case आपकी memory की बत्ती गुल हो चुकी है, the previous video was about my first फिफ्थ सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स जो कि मेरे टीवाई के पहले एंड सेमेस्टर एग्जाम का रिएक्शन जो है उसका मैंने वीडियो डाला हुआ था एंड देन इन दैट वीडियो आई हैड ऑल्सो मैंशनड कि एंड सेम्स के दौरान बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई थी सो दिस वीडियो इज़ अबाउट दोज बहुत सारी चीज़ें सो जस्ट टू गिव यू लिटिल बिट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट just before the NSEM exams, I got selected for the TCC Rex Karmavir Global Young Leaders Fellowship and उसकी award ceremony पहले सितंबर में होने वाली थी but it later got pushed to October on a date when I had my end semester exams. So initially I was very confused कि क्या करूँ जाऊँ या ना जाऊँ what should I do. I was in a great dilemma. बट देन आई थॉट कि एग्जाम्स तो लाइफ में आते ही रहेंगे कर्मवीर चक्र ग्लोबल यंग लीडर्स फेलो बनने का चांस दोबारा नहीं मिलेगा सो आई डिसाइडेड टू फ्लाई टू दिल्ली बिकॉज द अवार्ड सेरेमनी वाज गोइंग टू हैपन एट आईआईटी दिल्ली तो आई डिसाइडेड कि मैं वहाँ जाऊँगी एंड मुझे याद है उस दिन मेरा वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट एग्जाम्स था आफ्टर गिविंग द एग्जाम्स आई वेंट टू द एयरपोर्ट एंड देन आई फ्लू टू दिल्ली तो काफ़ी अच्छी रही अवार्ड सेरेमनी और इस वीडियो में आई एम अटैचिंग अ फ्यू स्निपेट्स फ्रॉम देयर एंड उसके अलावा आई एम ऑल्सो अटैचिंग अ फ्यू पिक्चर्स from my two recordings which happened at All India Radio. So the Delhi trip proved to be like a double bonanza. तो जो interview है I will probably put that as a podcast or something as a separate video later on. But for now I'm only putting in pictures from there. But yeah, so सबसे पहले विल बी वॉचिंग अ शॉर्ट वीडियो विच आई रिकॉर्डेड इन द फ्लाइट बिकॉज विंडो सीट पे बैठ के वीडियोस बनाना मेरी सबसे महान आदतों में से एक है सो फर्स्ट वील वॉच वन ऑफ दोज वीडियोज देन वी विल गेट टू द स्निपेट्स फ्रॉम द अवार्ड सेरेमनी एंड देन वील मूव टू द पिक्चर्स सो लेट्स गो I am having an interterrestrial experience. I am flying through heaven without dying. Lord, look at this gigantic clouds. My God, if I could reach out and fetch these in my hand. Candy floss. Nice big clouds. And our flight has been delayed by almost 1 hour. And I'm sure we won't reach on time. But hopefully we'll reach before the ceremony gets over. And I will sleep for a while now. I will update it later.
Today we are with Genia Chatterjee from St. Xavier's College. So, Genia, I wanted to ask you firstly, congratulate you on receiving the Global Young Leaders Fellowship and the Karmeen Chakra Awards. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I wanted to ask you one thing that in the TEDx, you'd received the first prize in the personality competition. Out of 60,000 entries from all over, only 60 participants finally came, and out of that, you were the first prize winner. Can you tell us more about that one?
Sure. So this started as an online round in which there were almost 60,000 people who sent in their entries, and then it was very unexpected when they said that there were 60 people who were selected, and we were called for the second written round. And after the written round, out of all the 60 people who came, there were 6 who were selected, and I was the last person to be selected within those 6. Then we had this question answer session, and then they finally announced the winners. So there was the third place, the second place, and the first place. I'm like, oh no, this is not happening. And then they announced my name, so that's how this went about, and it was a really great honor for me.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Thank
and I
you.
think, Genia, number one, you're such an inspiration to all the other young people
Thank you.
who might be today struggling or thinking whether they should focus on their studies. But I think your parents have also played a big role in
Yes.
this. Another thing I want to mention that you also represented India and you went as a participant to the Harvard College of Asia program
Yes.
2019, the
Yes.
HCAP. Can you tell us more about that one?
Sure. So this was a very recent achievement that I had. and I was selected as a delegate from India. So St. Xavier's College is the only partner country from India which is in association with the Harvard College. So they have this global conference called the Harvard College in Asia program, and it was a very good experience because it was about global leadership in the 21st century, which is also one of the fundamental things being highlighted as a part of Karmavir Chakra. So we spoke about global education, and there was an academic component, there was a social component, there was a cultural component. So it was a great learning experience and also a great honor because being someone from India representing a country at a global platform was one of the greatest things.
So Genia, first and foremost, how do you feel while receiving the Global Young Leaders Fellowship and the Karamveer Chakra Award?
This feels really good because this is a really prestigious and coveted honor that I'm receiving today. And this wouldn't have been possible without the support of my parents, my teachers, my friends. There are a lot of people to mention, but it feels really amazing. And I had never imagined that I would receive it at such a young age. So it's a really good feeling.
Great. Yeah, so a lot of people had wanted to know about the book that you've written at this young age. Can you tell us more about that?
Okay, so on my 18th birthday, my book of poems titled Keep It Intact was published, and it's a collection of my 18 poems that I have been writing since childhood, since the age of 8. And the title of it was based on the prize-winning poem title, which I won as a part of the on-the-spot poetry competition organized by Mumbai Tata Literature Live Festival.
Fantastic. And Genia, we're proud to have you as a Global Young Leaders Fellow and a Karamveer Chakra recipient. So tell us more about the second trip to United States, where you didn't even go as a participant, but also as an assistant supervisor, that too at such a young age. So can you please tell us more about that?
Sure. So this was a very fond memory that I have, and it was again a very recent one. So in the month of May, I got an opportunity to go via this organization called FACT, Foreign Abroad Consultancy and Training, and I went there as a participant and an assistant supervisor to high school students. So at first I thought it would be a challenge to mix along with them, and I didn't know if I could gel well with them, but they were really very supportive, and they also lent a helping hand to me, and I learned so much from them, and I also hope that they could learn something from me. So we had gone to New York, to Washington DC, and to Ohio, where we were there at the University of Toledo. So we got an overall experience of the university life, and I also helped to teach this advanced English course so that high school students could apply after their high school to foreign universities.
Thank you, Genia, for inspiring so many of these young people, and thank you so much. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you to Rex and TCC for this honor.
Okay, so those were the videos from the flight and snippets from the award ceremony. Now let's get to some of the pictures from my recordings at All India Radio. I hope you like this video. The video has been shot on the 12th of October 2019 and कुछ दिनों के incidents साथ में club किए हुए हैं, तो we started off from the 12th and 14th तक यानी दिल्ली से मुंबई वापस आने तक की जो journey है, it covers quite a lot of that. So मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, and if you did, don't forget to share it with everyone you know. And like भी कर देना. Comment your thoughts down below. आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी? If you have any questions for me, then please put them in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to answer. And very, very soon, I promise very, very soon, I am going to be back with part 3, which is a video that we had shot on the last day of our 5th semester exams. तो उस वीडियो के बारे में मैं उसी वीडियो के टाइम पे बात करूंगी. So that's another fun video very close to my heart, and I'm going to be back very, very soon with that. So you have to stay tuned, don't go anywhere. And also we are super duper close to 100 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. कभी कभी बोलते हुए tongue tied हो जाती हूँ. So yep, like, share, comment, subscribe. That's the drill. And I am going to be meeting you बहुत ही जल्द. And you know what to do. Until we meet, stay awesome, keep shining. Hasta la vista.